FXBros.
Yes, sir. We're live and the markets are about to open. In 2 minutes. And as you can see, through last night we were up. And from these highs of 128 and 20 cents, we dropped and gapped down to 127, sold off to 126.50. Actually closed under, I don't know what you would call structure at, but I'm guessing it's going to be 126 or 127 flat. Closed under that after hours. 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, however you want to look at it. Or 3 o'clock in the morning, actually. 3 in the morning. And now we're here with the market about to open. Let's see what we get. Bam. We left off, we actually closed yesterday here at -3. So up here, closed up here, 127. I forgot what I said we closed at. I know after hours is different, and I know the market closes at, I believe, 3 or 4 o'clock. So yeah. The BLS. That's what I was trying to. I have to change the thumbnail for the day. See how that bitch look. See how that bitch look. Bruh. Okay, so as you can see from today's topic, we can look also. Boy, UJ is pissing me off, bro. I'm still trying to get these niggas chances, but they piss me off, man.
What's happening, brother?
Ain't shit, man. Trying to see what's going on we're not really getting the movements we was expecting. I am in AU buys. I caught buys from the lows again. I saw that low and I thought, okay, NFP about to drop. Let me take that gamble, because that's what it is. And let me catch buys at this low. And it worked out. As you can see, it's also off this trend line. So if I zoom out on the daily, you can see this trend line we broke through. And remember, this was an old ass trend. This trend line is going from touches. I go to the weekly. This trend line is going from the high of August 2011. Second touch, April 2013. Third touch, and it's going to shock you. Remember I said 2013. The third touch wasn't really a touch. It just gapped up. And that was Monday. That was this is weekly. That was the week of January 26th this year. So from 2013 to last week, because this week, last week, we touched and broke through that supposed trend line. Yeah. So I bought the retrace off of that. So like I said, if you zoom in on the lower time frames, you'll see we had a touch here on February 2nd on Monday. I think we caught buys on that. Market started saying, we caught these buys. I'm not sure. Nonetheless, it traded. As you can see, we didn't even get lower. We swept the liquidity, touched the previous weekly high. And we buying up. The only thing that's pissing me off is the yen. UJ do not want to sell. This bitch got bearish engulfings twice over and just do not want to sell. Like, and if we look at the actual yen, the yen needs to go bullish for the UJ and everything to they need to go up. And as you can see, they already filled the gap, but it looked like they're trying to fill this whole range. I'm not sure why. The dollar needs to drop. It's trying to. So the dollar is trying to, it did what it needed to do. It came up to the 98 level. Actually could have went to 98.1. But then we sold out. So the dollar is doing what it needs to do, but the yen is not going up like it needs to. And so that's kind of messing up this whole UJ sale, even though AU is pushing higher. So we're catching good positions on that. I got in at 69.22. So let's move this to 69.22. And we'll put our stops up below the wick. 69.22. I want to be at 68.95. That's pretty much. So we right at the wick. So that's gonna make it. If we go to the highs up here, that'll make it a 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio. That's not bad. Let's see. We should be good. But the big discussion, as you can see on the title of the video, we were expecting, if you look at the Sunday live video from last week, we were anticipating NFP moves, NFP volume, and an actual NFP release on Friday. That didn't happen. We woke up this morning looking at the news, and as you can see, today, Friday, in 22 minutes at 9 o'clock, we have the Michigan consumer sentiment. And if I look at all of today or yesterday, you'll see, that's all we have. Yesterday, we had jobless claims. We already know about that. The consensus was 1.85. We had 1.84. Still above the previous, Yeah, job numbers are looking crazy. It's growing. Unemployment is growing because the jobless claims are growing. The consensus is the job openings are getting lower. You know what the consensus was? I don't know how they calculate that JOLTS job openings, because I would suspect a lower number would mean that more jobs are getting filled. But maybe they're looking at it like a lower number is jobs getting removed. That's what I don't know. I don't know how they're looking at that, but nonetheless, we were supposed to get NFP on Friday, first Friday of the month. It's been happening like that for years. I know in my trading lifetime, I have seen an NFP not happen on the first Friday because it wasn't the first full Friday. Like sometimes the first of the month will fall on a Friday, and that's not the first full Friday of that month. So they'll wait until that next week and then drop NFP. But if you look, we got NFP coming out on Wednesday, February 11th, which is weird as hell. Very weird. And usually, not only that, for some reason, they will put NFP. If you look at on this Friday, we got CPI, inflation rate. That's kind of when they would throw that in there. So I'm like, it's just, yeah. But I searched some information on it, and they said it was, but overall, it was because of the data that needed to report for NFP wasn't all calculated in the government shutdown, which we currently are in, a minor shutdown. And I think that was the two main reasons. It's not they said a key takeaway is not arbitrary, it's not market manipulation, bullshit. It's rare. It happens for logistical, legal, or data integrity reasons. Wednesday releases are unusual but legitimate. NFP's off cycle or breakdown, whether NFP will have lower volatility. All right. Yes, 2 out of 3. ChatGPT. I have your ass on this bitch. ChatGPT, I have you on. And let me ask the same question to Claude. That's what I wanted to do. Claude. He said it never happens to me. Yeah, NFP on a damn Wednesday never happens to me. Well, I'm Claude, man. Today, nigga turn me into Claude. Nigga waking up.
Because that has never happened to me before.
I feel like Claude. I know what he feel like. Paste. Asked if a quick answer, best for everyday tasks, most capable, ambitious work. Opus. They got a new sonnet haiku. The longer for complex tags, extended thinking. Okay, let's do haiku extended. Haiku. Now that was fast. All right, bitch. Claude. The government can move the NFP release date from its typical first Friday of the month when there's specific circumstances. Here are the main reasons. Holiday scheduling, the primary reason when the U.S. federal holiday. That's not the case, I don't think. Do we have a federal holiday today on Friday? Does anybody know? Because if that was the case, wouldn't the markets be shut down on some shit?
Yeah, the markets are up and running.
Oh, yeah, so that's not the case.
What's up, Scott?
So yeah, so we got that. That's not the case. Data processing system issues. I don't think that's the case. Let me search for the specific reason why this month's NFP was delayed to Wednesday, February 11th, since you would give an exact explanation for this particular case. There's your answer. The Bureau of Labor is delaying the January 26th employment situation due to a partial federal government. See, I fuck with Claude, dog. I fucks with Claude. ChatGPT didn't mention none of that. I fucks with Claude, dog. Oh, them niggas about to get my money. I just want a simple AI that actual pull data from today. I ain't have to tell it that it's 2026.
Nah, for real. With that being said, what happened?
It said, like, the fact that it said, let me search for the specific reason why this month's NFP was delayed to Wednesday, February 11th, since that's what gives you the exact explanation for this particular case. And it said, there's your answer. The Bureau of Labor Statistics is delaying the January 26th employment situation report due to a partial federal government shutdown that has halted normal operations. The report will be released once the government funding is resorted, and the BLS updates its scheduling, which so far they're saying is on Wednesday. That's why it's now scheduled
basically
for
what
Wednesday.
we thought it was.
Basically what we thought it was. But like I said, ChatGPT didn't give me none of that shit. That bitch telling me that bitch that asked me three other questions that I wanted to know now because I didn't want to know, but now they asked us. So I'm like, okay, that's interesting. But yeah, ChatGPT be just giving so much. You already see the damn answer I copied and pasted in the group. That shit, that shit was long as hell. Like all them damn responses. Like, nigga, I ain't asking all that shit.
Not specific at all.
Just tell me what I asked you.
I feel like that shit was made for consumers, like AI, like people just, you know what I'm saying?
In particular, yeah, ChatGPT was for sure.
It's just some consumery type. But them other ones, like you gotta really do some research and find the one like Claude.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I did the research on the people who started it. The people who started Claude used to work for OpenAI before ChatGPT got released. And when they saw what they were working on, about 5 to 8 of the senior people in OpenAI left and started Anthropic. And 2 years after ChatGPT released, that's when them niggas released Claude. And they released Claude because they wanted an AI that was more truthful, more straight to the point, more simplistic than all the fluff that ChatGPT gives. And the potential non-correct information that ChatGPT gives. So yeah, I fuck with Claude. I fucks with it. But yeah, man, that's what's going on. So now that the market is open, Walmart is up 1%. That nigga Walmart said, we know what the NFP numbers is, and we ain't hiring none of you fools. Running up this
for real. They know what everybody know what they fucking numbers is. We ain't gotta worry about the motherfucking dudes.
Man, wait.
We fired everybody else yesterday.
What the hell?
Huh?
XRP up 21%?
Wow.
I ain't mean to cut you off, but damn.
Nah, you good.
That's crazy. That bitch dropped down to $1.11.
Oh man, these markets playing, bro.
Oh,
I know I should just close out everything when I seen stuff up this morning just now. But everything wasn't up like it should have been type shit. I was just up on my account overall. I'm like, bro, something telling me just go ahead and take, because your weight is probably going to drop on you. Now, overall, I think that bit going to go back up, go up, but
yeah,
I just don't like to sit through no type of pullbacks, but niggas do not like pullbacks.
Only time pullbacks is good when you kind of got a real good position you don't want to let go of, and you kind of got a some good inclination that this pullback was just a liquidity sweep or taking profit. Because you know, pullbacks mean different for the most part in the stocks. Like it could just be simple take profits of a nigga who holding a lot of shares could make the stock drop. Damn, everything green, boy. Them niggas said we want it all back.
Yeah, that's why I say
Besides
shit.
ET,
It's
whole
suspect, bro.
ass.
This is suspect though.
ET down like a motherfucker. That's crazy. Big Bear up 8%. Nigga.
Say ET down on your option, but it's up on the stock, huh?
Fuck no, that bitch down 1.6% on the stock.
Wow.
I mean, it ain't down, but is everything else green? This the only thing that's red on my watch list. This and Google.
Yeah, bro. I should
Google
have
down
definitely took everything this morning, man. I was up at least $90. This shit, everything down.
It's saying it's up
Nigga down
0.2% today. Energy transfer.
Hold up. Let me refresh my shit.
now. ET.
Yeah, ET up, but your
Take that shit
option
off my
play may
list.
be down.
Hold on. Let me refresh.
Yeah, ET probably up.
Man.
Hold up.
I think it gapped down.
I
Or
know I
something. Yeah,
That's
it
what it
gapped.
was.
Cool down.
That's what it was. Yep.
Ooh, that big gap down from 1820 to 1780, basically. Yeah, so it's climbing back, but
Yep.
yeah, that big head went through it.
So your stock, what's the stock price for ET right now? That's showing you
1792.
17 something.
and what's
1791.
the change right now? It don't say negative 1.5.
No, it's saying 0.28 right now.
Are you looking on TradingView or are you looking on Robinhood?
I'm looking on Robinhood.
Boy, why you be looking on there, bro? That ain't the
Because
real market. Like dead ass. Like look at TradingView. That shit is negative 1.5%. Robinhood gonna get y'all fucked up, boy, looking at them charts. That is not the real market.
That's if you get in right now. Like got in as soon as that bit open, I guess.
Type shit, yeah. That's not the current market price.
Yeah, that should be weird, bro. Like
I mean,
one of the homies
17.91 is the current price, but that's not the change of the day. Like my shit's saying negative 1.5%.
yeah, I mean, and I'm just saying that just because that's where my portfolio is on. So I guess I'm going off of that per se.
Yeah, go
But
off the
as
market,
far as
not the
like
damn.
charting and stuff like that,
Nigga said, I'm
then shit, nigga, I'm up. I'm green. Shit for the day. Made $1 so far. Yeah.
nah,
Up
nigga.
40% overall. Fuck
But
it.
nigga, everybody not you, nigga. You up, but the whole world down, nigga. We down 1.6%.
Yeah, that's true. I feel you. I feel you. Them niggas ain't leaping that bitch to 2028 either.
Hell no, they not.
Uh,
They're trying to get
I
that
got
shit.
into another U too. Fuck that. Them niggas will give me back.
I'm done.
But I was thinking of yesterday, but I don't know why I heard somebody making fun of Soldier Boy. I was like, oh, that's that Soldier Boy stock.
Done.
And they said, you stupid ass.
I like that. Right.
Man, it's so weird, bro.
I'm down on ET
This
on
stuff
my
be weird.
like just 1%. Overall still up. But what you talking about was weird.
Yeah. I'm trying to see what kind of theater they got on this bitch, boy. TNT, boy. That bitch, I'm
Let's
down
see.
60, and that bitch at the same. It's up 40 cents on the day. Like
J.
I was up this morning. I was just up $60. Now I'm down 50, like from nothing. What? I'm just trying to see. I don't be liking how some of these stocks be moving, dog. It'd be crazy.
What's their ticker? Just J&J?
Yeah,
Yeah,
they got a
JNJ.
$12. I mean, $12 theta. That ain't fucking 60, 50. This bitch should be up something. Bitch up on the day. What's going on? I don't be
They got a
understanding that shit
$12 theta.
sometimes. Yeah. Oh, cause I must have bought that shit expensive yesterday for some
I
reason.
was about to
When
say,
I
ain't that
bought that
kind of
shit was
like high? I thought the theta be like in the cents.
that's
Oh, it's
crazy.
12 cents and you just multiplying it times 100.
12 cents times 100. That's weird as hell though. That should be weird, bro. You understand that shit sometimes. But that makes sense. Nigga be down on the day when I should be up. I should be at least down there break even, be able to take something. You know what I'm saying? Be down for it. Bitch, how?
Yeah, that chart do look kind of crazy. That bitch gapping down but closing green.
Bro, you should have seen you see the pre-market went all the way to damn 241.
Yeah, I'm looking at that
And
bitch and
then
then it gapped down.
the aftermarket, then the pre-market, it gapped all the way down. Come on,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
Man, open me up there. What happened to that up there?
Nah, that's crazy. It's trying to still fight up there though on this current 1 hour. At least it ain't closing down at 236 like going low. It's trying to fight that gap down, so that's good. That's crazy, boy. This should look like a damn. Come on, ET. Like out of all the companies, your ass the only one down. That's crazy.
Fuck.
But
All
that
right,
bitch
man. I'm gonna
really
just trust that these things are uptrends. Everything I'm in, I don't know nothing. I'm just I'm just a germ out here. I'm just a germ. You heard me?
I don't know nothing.
I know shit from sugar. Listen, all I know is I see the shit been going up for weeks. I'm trying to get a piece of that. You hear me? If it's gonna keep going, it's gonna keep going. If it ain't, I'm gonna get out next week sometime when you show and prove that this up shit wasn't it. Maybe I'm gonna just hold the contract out because I don't know shit. You know what I'm
When
saying?
your
I just
expiry?
seen what
Next
I
Friday?
seen. Probably I don't know. I'm in these shits for shits and giggles. Let's see.
That nigga
Um,
eyes and click
I
buy.
got a February 20th on J&J, so that's like two weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks.
I got a few weeks. Let me see. CBX, I got a February 20th. Yeah. Yeah. Walmart, nigga got the 13th. That's the next week. You hear me? Walmart.
Yeah, I don't even know how I'm up. That's 775. That's 178. That's 8. That's 9. What the other one? Yeah, this shit weird. Oh, yeah, that's still weird.
I'm gonna need J&J and all y'all. I'm gonna need everything to just do what the good Lord expected y'all to do.
No, for real. Please.
Niggas, hey, I'm a part of the good Lord team. I'm about to go
Good
add to
Lord.
Walmart, boy. This mug is
Y'all see AMC.
bro,
AMC
Walmart
up
looks so
2%.
beautiful, bro. For real?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Where we at? Where you at, AMC, girl? Well, I don't see
Boy,
one. Oh,
I
there
ain't
she
gonna
is.
lie. I'm gonna give it a shot. If
Oh, no, no, no,
AMC,
no. You better not. Not yet. Not yet.
not yet,
Wait.
not a lot of people. If it close above $1.55.60 on a
That's what
4
I'm
hour,
looking at.
on
If
a
that
four,
bitch
not
could
the 1
close
hour.
above
They
there,
gotta do it on a 4 hour. I do not want the 1 hour. I want the
that'll
4
be
hour.
some. That'll be some type of confirmation.
Yes.
Close within supply zone, which means there's no more sellers sitting there. Which means this market shoot at least all the way up to $2. Even
And if it
245.
closes above 180, it's even more a buy.
Yeah, it could fly all the way to
It could fly
245.
all the way up to 240.
And then some.
So I'm going to put a
Just
little
got a peep
signal right
game.
there.
I'm definitely peeping game. I mean, you can even put $3 on it right now. Like,
bro, that's what I'm saying, dog. I'm gonna keep it G, bro. I'm gonna keep it G. This is a long shot. Like, I do not really believe in this, but it's so cheap that
yeah,
if
that's
this
what,
bitch
bro.
closed,
It's $3 for
that's what
some
I'm
of them
saying.
damn
I'm
things.
about to buy like 100.
What's $3?
AMC stocks.
Not a contract, probably,
Oh,
right?
niggas, y'all doing it?
Yeah, the
Y'all trading that
contracts. I'm
shit?
sorry.
No, I'm about to get some contracts in that shit if it closes above 150.
That's what I'm saying. That's
We
what I'm saying.
watching it.
Trading, like
Definitely
you
watching
trading or
it.
getting actual shares.
No, I'm getting
Stock.
contracts.
I mean contracts. I'm sorry. Options,
Options.
bro. Cause look
Penny
at it
stocks.
though. You gotta look at it, dog. Go look
This
at
Yeah, I'm
is
it
gonna
for
take a
me.
look at it.
this is a gamble. This is me at the craps table, closing my eyes and letting people
Right.
blow on the dice.
You
I
at the
mean, cause
roulette table. Fuck that.
I'm at
it's
Russian
the
like
roulette.
roulette with a gun.
Man, it's Russian roulette all day.
you paying the
But what
utmost,
I'm gonna
like the
lose?
cheapest.
$50
Right.
to make fucking
Right.
10,000 if this bitch go to $20 from
You
here.
feel me? Nah, facts. Everybody go get an AMC Plus subscription today.
Nah, that's what I'm saying. If they really let alone get a
Oh
new
man.
CEO and change how they do movies and it actually work, boy, this shit about to do some numbers, boy. Respectfully, like this $1. Them niggas had a high. What the high was? Even though I know that was the Roaring Kitty days, but niggas had a high like 300 or some shit like that.
Somebody message.
Oh, let me.
Yeah, these bitches running, brother. I ain't even lying. Let's go.
Yeah, man, we had a high of 2-something. Nigga, 380. Like, what are we talking about? Now, like I said, they definitely got some work to do because that wasn't growth of the company that got it up to 380. I would know that. But it probably might not even go that high, respectfully. But that bitch just need to get back to $40. We could. Like, that's all I want. Like a nice little $20 to $40. That bitch moved 5%. I mean 5 cents and up 3%, 3.5%. I know
Let
people
the
day
door
trade the
hit
fuck out of AMC. Like really day trading that bitch. Now, boy, I know Google getting people in Google pissed off right now. Out of all stocks, they are down 2.5%. Nobody else is red. They the only company.
you. Right. That's why I say everybody fucking green. This is
Everybody
crazy.
green, nigga. Even Forex. I'm
Amazon down $20,
looking at
9%.
Bitcoin up 8%. Bitch.
You hear me?
You said
Amazon down 9%,
damn, for
$20.
real? Oh, I gotta follow. I gotta
Yeah,
put them on my watch
shit.
list. I gotta put them on my watch list.
Meta's down 2.8%.
Damn.
Adobe's down 1%. Netflix is down 0.05%. They like break even right now.
Yeah.
Still, everything else is literally green though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's crazy, Amazon.
But Amazon is getting it
Oh,
the most.
because they miss earnings by their revenue. I think the
Yeah, they
profit
tanked.
was good.
It was up though.
Income.
They just held it down.
Yeah, shit, hella down. All right, 9%. Amazon.
The class gonna need J&J and CVX to go higher. Also, the class needs Walmart to
With a
continue.
class.
Walmart to continue doing what it's doing. Yeah, then the
Man,
class will be
what's going
satisfied.
on with Google? These niggas beating earnings and selling off.
You know, sit comfortable at these highs, relax in these highs, enjoy these highs.
Damn, they say Google plans to spend 175 to 185 billion in 2026, more than double of 2025's 91 billion. Shares fell over 7% in after-hours trading amid investors' concern about revenue impact. Alphabet's capital expenditure plans have raised investor concerns, contributing to a decline in major indexes as Wall Street opened lower. Yeah, them niggas saying, bro, chill out with all that spending, fam. We doing good right now. ChatGPT is all we need. We don't need data centers that fast, bro. I know somebody gonna come up with a cool ass idea, which I seen a crypto company that came up with it, where you can earn crypto through your Wi-Fi. It was some kind of weird shit. Like they use your Wi-Fi and the data from your router to mine cryptocurrency, and you get paid. I think somebody will figure out a way where they could use people's energy in their homes through Wi-Fi or any kind of other means, solar energy, and use that to power some kind of like cloud AI. Ooh, nigga, that's gonna be the next thing. I'm done. Cloud AI. Like the AI data center, but in the cloud. Watch. That's gonna be the next one.
Like AI taking care of your data type shit, like storage.
Or your data collectively in a neighborhood is powering AI. So instead of building one building with all these cooling shit and all this shit, we're gonna use this whole city of Arlington and the people who live in here to take like one byte of data from their house, and collectively we could run AI in the cloud type shit. And from you letting us use your data, we go pay you so and so percentage of a coin or of a something. You feel me? So it's gonna be worth your while. You're gonna make enough money to pay your internet bill type shit.
Wow.
They had a cryptocurrency company that did something like this. I don't know if they still in business or if it's still working, but the idea seemed cool as fuck, like logical. Like
Paying for data from people.
Yeah, like they used the concept was you get paid in cryptocurrency from this coin by letting them use by letting them use your Wi-Fi to mine the coin. Like your Wi-Fi data to mine the coin. So you mining the coin, and then you got to put this physical device in your home. It's like a router, but using your data, they use that to mine the coin, and then they pay you so much. And it seemed like it was a good thing. Like the damn router shit, when they came out, the router had sold out because everybody was like, yeah, this shit about to blow. They came out the router and everything sold out. It was like $100, $200 to just buy it, and then they start paying you the crypto. So it seemed like it was a good idea. I guess if people don't pay their bill and the router shut down, that's gonna fuck up the continuity of the AI. So maybe that might not work. Nigga would not pay their bill. Like, fuck that shit. I'm going on this trip. Fuck that internet. Just use your hotspot.
Everything looking good, boy. Shit is moving. Breaking high. Let's go. Let's go.
I hope you're talking about Walmart. Oh, yes, he is.
Everything, bro. Everything, bro.
1.2%.
Everything busting.
Come on,
Everything
Walmart.
busting.
I like
You
that
see
green
that
candle on the 1 hour.
You see that
I like
close?
that. I like that. I like the size of that candle on the 1 hour.
You heard me?
That let me know the buyers are still here.
Yes, sir. Everything busting. That's why I was waiting for it to go to 126, but it did it during close of the markets. Yeah, so I couldn't really. That's why I wanted to get another one. As soon as I seen that bitch buying up, you hear me? This bitch want to open up at 8 and then fly up. Yeah, you know ain't nobody gonna have time because I don't even like to enter until 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because I'm trying to see what it's gonna do. But don't get me wrong, it might pull back to
I think this
to the
bitch about to
spots.
go. I think this bitch about to go. It wouldn't have came with this high if it still was in sales.
No, I'm saying just a pullback, not like it's not like it's about to tank or nothing.
Damn, boy. Dutch Bros up 5%. I might go get some coffee.
Oh, I was like, FXBros. Wait, we got a hedge fund?
Yeah. Nah, we're gonna do a partnership deal with Dutch Bros in the future. I'm already calling it. FXBros and Dutch Bros. We're gonna have our own coffee.
No, facts though.
We're gonna have a non-farm cinnamon roll. Stupid ass. Big Bear AI, Cisco, TSM, where AVGO at? 4%. Yeah, I like that. Your UCTT should be up too, huh? What them niggas doing? Yes, 5%. That company always
I still got them on my list.
Follow, yeah, they follow Broadcom and TSM really closely. Like they must be doing business with them, I think. I'm not sure. But I know they deal with semiconductors, and that's TSM and Broadcom. But every time TSM and Broadcom is up, UCTT is up. So I don't know if they got correlation like that, but it seems like it does. IAG up 7%. I am gold. Nigga. Kinross Gold. And OIS up 5%. Yeah, I was not thinking, I didn't think tech was gonna get this kind of crazy pullback on a Friday. I thought it was gonna probably wait till next week. But see, I think this was doing though. Is everybody in buys right now, and probably next week on Monday, tech will tank again and smash all the positions. It just seems very odd that they would have this crazy ass run on a Friday. But I'm still new to this shit. So. Not sure. Shit, now that I took that shit out the list, I wonder what I wonder what Rich Tech Robotics is doing right now. Those niggas probably up 15%. No, they dumbass stock. That shit is dumbass stock. XRP took the cake today. 22% gain. Just by holding the damn coin.
Oh yeah, we up. Let's go. Let's go. I ain't no hoe.
Ripple unveiled a new roadmap for the XRP ledger, transitioning from payments to a broader financial infrastructure with XRP as a key bridge asset and settlement layer. Banks are evaluating the XRP ledger for real-time transaction settlements focused on its efficiency and addressing delays in the current banking system relying on pre-funded accounts. XRP is consolidating losses, unable to hold above 150. A bearish trend line is forming with resistance at 138, trading below the 100-hour simple moving average. That bitch dropped all the way down to 111. Where was I? I was in the studio. So, yeah, I was not paying attention. Fuck.
Yeah, I don't know nothing, dog. I'm just a germ.
It's all good. You go grow into a big organism.
One
And
day.
you'll learn. You'll grow out that
One
giant
day,
step.
man.
I think that bitch gonna come back down. I think we'll have another opportunity. I'm calling it another opportunity to buy XRP. I was really trying to get if it come down, I mean it's not bad right now, but if it come down to that $1, I'm gonna buy like 100 of them bitches right quick. With $100, maybe two. Just snatch a few of them bitches right quick and just hold them. That's crazy. 22%. What else is up? Gold, silver, silver a hole, boy. I know niggas mad. Niggas got out of silver and now that bitch back up. Silver was
Yeah, that
down.
bitch went down to $64. You heard me?
Yeah,
Let me
bro.
see.
It really did. That was
That bitch, it might dip again, but it's
I
trying
think
to
it is.
climb.
I think it's gonna dip again.
Cause the structure look weird.
I just look at the candles. Like look at the bearish candles on gold on the hourly. Look at 8 o'clock. Wednesday, February 4th. Look at that bearish candle. Look at 11 o'clock, January 30th. Like, until we start seeing green candles that size, yeah, that's just play right now. They ain't trying to go nowhere. Like, we need conviction. UJ, come on, UJ. I don't even know why I'm playing with yours, but I done gave
Oh
a
yeah,
lot of
boy.
money back to them bitches, bro.
These bitches better keep going. I'm a cause
Who you
hell.
looking at?
The two I got in yesterday.
J&J?
Yeah, and CBX.
Oh, yeah, CBX. Oh, that bitch running. 1 hour bullish engulfing.
Shit, that 4 hour
Yeah.
look good.
4 hour looking good.
That's what I'm
Look at
watching.
close up there.
Trying to watch the 4. Hopefully that bitch could just keep going.
Yeah.
I like how it looked though.
That's probably what we're gonna go to after this 4 hour close. I'm gonna wrap this bitch up. See what that bitch do.
Yeah,
Not so.
4 hour close at 11.
Come on, ET. Oh ass. This back green.
Yeah, man.
Phone.
I had seen this one play, the little one. I'm in this health shit.
Mm-hmm.
Called E-Raz. This bitch was running, but this shit like low liquid, so that's why I ain't been really running it because that bitch it's weird. Like, but
I had some other ones.
that bitch be running though. But nigga, like this morning, nigga was up 100, but then that bitch, it's like one of those where just like J&J, I bought that fucking contract 3 something this morning. The contract worked 2 something. The same damn contract. It's like y'all nigga, and the fucking price was higher type shit. So it was like y'all really played me. Like y'all made me buy that bitch for premium.
Yeah.
And so basically, same thing happened to me on there. That bitch went up $1. I'm only up like $10. You heard me? But this morning, I guess other people, me steadily holding it. That mug, I guess other people was about to pay the premium this morning. Like I could have sold my contract and made 100, But then I held it. I'm saying it to myself. I'm knowing. I said, boy, this ain't nothing but premium. Niggas able to sell it for a premium right quick. Soon as I left it alone, you heard me? Came back not 10 minutes later, that about $30 up. I'm like, and it's still it was in the same spot. So it lost like $60 of value just because time passed.
Yeah.
Like that's why I be telling everybody, don't buy like, during market open.
Nah, you
You're
gotta
gonna pay
let
premiums.
it breathe a little bit.
You will be paying premiums.
Yeah. I don't know if y'all looked into the GLP-1 industry and those stocks, but some of the top names from AI enlisted, of course, Eli Lilly. We know about them. I don't know if y'all know about Novo Nordisk. Novo, Amgen, Pfizer, and for diversified, which probably is the best play because I looked at the charts. They got a ETF called OZEM, Ozempic, and they have basically all the GLP-1 pharmaceutical companies in there. So if you want some exposure to that, that'll be good.
Wait, what's that? What's that ETF?
OZEM,
OZEM.
OZEM.
OVEM.
Yeah, OZ,
OZEM.
like Ozempic,
Zebra.
like a zebra. Yeah,
Gotcha. OZ.
yeah.
That's one I really need to
Yeah,
put
that
in.
been jumping too.
Go in heavy on that bitch for real.
Yeah, man. I think them stocks gonna see a lot of gains for the next, no pun intended, a lot of gains. But for the next 5 to 10 years, even though
Yeah,
they all weight loss stocks, but they're gonna see some gains. They gonna see a lot of gains.
They did
a
their
lot of
first little
pumps, but I like it.
they did a little pullback. They doing, with everybody else, but
Right.
they also up with everybody else today as well. So
Nice, nice, nice.
Right.
yeah, it's looking like it's moving right. This is definitely on the uptrend.
Let me see. One, I think Invo.
I wasn't fooled with it until the
Nordis.
see some closes
Yeah,
at
they
this area that is
had a
in.
crazy bottom.
That
Nordis.
these pullbacks so crazy, bro. You don't know what to do with these markets.
Novo is taking legal action against Hims and Hers for illegal mass compounding and false advertising of a semaglutide knockoff, which lacks FDA approval. Damn, they coming after Hims and Hers pills. It's beef in the drug industry. They're like them niggas on their block selling them knockoff pills. We got the real pills over here, man. Them niggas on selling them knockoff pills, getting our people sick. You hear me? Y'all messing up the junkies, man. Fuck. AMG. Let me look at AMG.
Boy, these markets be weird, dog. This is so weird.
AMGN. They looking good.
Crazy.
They busting out the frame.
I'm just a humble germ. Once again.
I don't know nothing.
This is crazy.
Amgen. What was the other one? PFE. Pfizer. What are they doing? PFE. The Pfizer is they are digging themselves out of a hole. Damn, boy. Them niggas was up. Yeah, they been selling off. Well, Pfizer is like they make a lot of shit. I don't think them niggas are strictly on GLP-1. they probably losing money because niggas ain't getting them jabs no more. They ain't taking them jabs. Like, you need some more jab patients. OZEM. I don't even want to look at Eli Lilly. I already know about them niggas. Yeah, OZM looked real good. Nice little pullback we had recently, yesterday. Wicked up. I know it didn't wake up. Closed down now. But it's gapping up today. But I just gapped up like a motherfucker. So yeah, add that to the watch list. You heard me?
Bro, I'm over here. I'm not even looking at the market right now. I'm just like fingers crossed at this point. Like I said, you heard me. It's going up. It's been going up. Why would it turn around? You know what I'm saying? It held the stuff that I'm in held through the bullshit. You know what I'm saying?
That's for damn sure. That's gonna give you a reason to turn around.
Like the stuff I'm in held through the bullshit. So if you able to hold through that big ass dip, I can fuck with you. Like you got something going on right now. You know what I'm saying? That I could fool with. So let's just see. I don't know how you move yet, but I'm about to find that. I need that. I need that. Okay.
Still down.
Nah, for real. Water on me. Like,
yeah, it is Friday. I mean, I'm surprised. That's another thing. I'm surprised that all these stocks are moving like that. They could have easily just went flat today. But they got all this bullish momentum out of nowhere.
Right. What's going on?
Friday. So that means for Monday gonna be murderous. That bitch gonna be blood.
I think that bitch gonna drop.
And then the VIX -11. Yesterday, that's crazy, dog. Yesterday the VIX was up 14% and the market was red. Now the market green, the VIX -11%. I still need some understanding on the VIX and how they, because I know the VIX is off of volatility for the S&P,
Right.
but why is the volatility -12%? It should be positive, right?
It's probably based off of the history. Well, I don't know, bro.
Yeah.
History though, and S&P ain't be usually moving that fast. So I don't know.
That's weird, but yeah, we definitely had a high yesterday. That bitch got up to 23. That was the average one. During the tariff talk, that bitch got all the way up to 56. I think we're talking about them tariffs. I know that's extreme. I've seen like the 30s, high 20s is like some pressure. But if they get up to 50s and 60s, yeah, the market is doing something crazy. Yen still falling. I'm about to get out the GJ. I mean UJ. This shit pisses me off. I'm tired of losing money, bro. I'm tired of losing money. Fuck you, UJ. You bastard.
Bro, I stopped Forex trading like all together for right now. I ain't lying. I'm taking a break. When these options hard, fuck the bullshit.
Yeah. I feel you. I'm just going off this damn what you call. I'm trying to catch this the reverse yen carry trade. That's what I'm really trying to set up for. And I know it's coming up, another sale. It's just a question of when. How high are we going? In my opinion, it looked like UJ probably is about to go for, if not 158, or it's going to retest the high of 159.5, which was the high of this year. Yeah, that was the high this year. So it's going to try to test that high again, possibly, and then we're going to sell out because the dollar is doing what it's supposed to do. We all know the dollar is supposed to lose value. And it showed going all the way to 95.5. So that was just a directional point. So now we need to build more worrisome and get the market scared and fearful. So they rose it up to sell into. Well, you can't just keep selling. You gotta have a pullback. So that's what we just did. And the dollar could still go up too, just like UJ. Before it sells out, dollar probably get above 98, 98.5. I don't think it's going to 100 again. That would kind of go against what they're talking about. So just gonna have to see. Well, whoever bought XRP options, if you were trading XRP on leverage, congratulations, nigga. You took the cake this week.
I should have been accumulating down here
on a Friday. I mean,
this way you accumulate, huh?
Yeah, it's just crazy. It's happened on a Friday. This is like a Monday type market. It's like what Monday's supposed to do. It's on a Friday busting. Damn, boy, Google and Amazon is like going through it right now. And they all off of earnings. Alphabet's cloud segment experienced a growth rate of 48% in the fourth quarter, surpassing Microsoft's cloud growth at 38% for the same period. JP Morgan raised its price target for Google to $395 from $385, as we currently are sitting at $322. Go long Google, based on Jamie Dimon. The nigga said 340.
Go along all my stocks.
Ah.
Based on life, history, and me.
They said go along for Black History Month. Stupid.
Hey, that too. That too. Man, I'm 10 for 10 in this is option shit. You heard me? When it come to my monthly gains, you feel me? That's my my shit to say now.
Nice.
You heard me? Nice. I've been in this shit for what, 2 months? But 2 months. But guess what? Every month we got gains. You feel me? We could have took profits from the markets literally and kept the money we had in there.
Yes, we did. Especially that first Walmart, boy.
Yes, sir.
That bitch could have paid for Christmas gifts. Amazon shares fell 4% after Germany's Federal Cartel Office ordered the company to change its pricing policy for third-party sellers and pay $70 million in fines.
Damn.
The hell Germany talking about, man? Nigga, y'all don't even buy shit from Amazon in Germany. The hell is y'all talking about?
$50 million. Who you think you got?
$70 million. Like, nigga, let me open up my pocketbook and I got that shit. Got that shit in my wallet, man. 70 million. That's all you need? Fuck on my
Right. Crazy. Shit.
$70 million. Bitch. Bought some artwork for 70 million.
No, for real.
Amazon faces pressure to boost AI investments with analysts proposing a $50 billion stake in OpenAI. This is vital for its cloud business and retail operations amid rising AI competition. I wonder how much of OpenAI them niggas own. That's crazy. Them niggas about to own that bitch. 50 billion.
$50 million. I'm sorry.
Getting that Chelsea Clark. Oh
man, I can't be taken serious nowhere, dog. It's the thing, bro. It's I guess a gift and a curse. You heard me? Niggas know I just be playing all the time. I be fucking people hard up. You heard me?
But I
Like,
know
that nigga
exactly
playing.
what you're talking about, though. That's a funny thing about it. You ever had to say that?
Bruh. I could be in a business meeting, boy.
Nah,
Somebody
for
say
real.
a big number like that, and I'd be like, 50 million, not. I'm sorry. I'm thinking out loud.
Oh man.
$50 million. Sometimes I'd be like, what that is, what that boy Wizard Kelly used to say. That boy said, $10,000, y'all.
Oh, no.
That boy Wizard Kelly, you remember him?
Oh, what?
The Proud Family.
Oh, boy, I watched that shit big. I watched that big.
Man. Huh?
I said I ain't watched it a lot.
Oh.
Yeah,
man, that was off the Proud Family. Wizard Kelly was this old rich basketball player, you heard me?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That boy used to be like, $10,000, y'all. Like, he'll give away prizes and stuff. He'll say, with the total grand prize of $10,000, y'all. The nigga just say that bitch, you heard me? So you know nigga remember that bitch. Nigga had some shit like that, man. $10,000, y'all. Never mind. Bro, I'm too up, bro. Lord gotta come save me, man. Oh man. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. I just watch nothing but movies too. Don't make it no better.
Nah,
Boy,
bro,
nigga need some more.
I heard the damn intro to a movie coming on earlier. Like, oh, that nigga still at the theaters.
Nah, that's my
Ultimate
cousin be
package.
having the damn movies on, man. He be wanting to watch movies all day. Had the TV on loud as hell.
That's my
When
damn.
he had went to work, I had cut that shit on.
That's a bad habit of mine too. Stop watching that shit when I go to sleep.
Nah, I cut everything off when I go to sleep. I can't sleep with
Man,
nothing on.
Being in them ex relationships, man, they be want to watch TV and keep the TV on. You just kind of get used to that shit. Now it's just like,
Man, I'd be fussing.
I need some mama. Man, I was too high up to fuss at them times.
Man. Nigga said I'd be in that bitch fussing. Nah, if I'm tired enough and I just conk out on you, I conk out. But boy, listen. If it's a certain time, you heard me, it's time to go to bed.
Nah, for real.
Man, play on your phone or something, man. Put some headphones.
Yeah, ain't never lying.
Nobody got time to be playing with y'all.
Nigga did not have the wildest headphones at the time.
But nah, I feel you though. That makes sense, bro. You know, chicks be wanting to watch TV. My sister used to do all this stuff. Got time to be playing with that.
Bitch.
Just go to sleep, shit.
Yeah, bro. Silent.
I can't help it, dog. I went to sleep at like 10:30 last night. Me.
Damn.
Hell yeah, boy. What you think? What the fuck?
Thank you.
We gotta get up for 7 in the morning.
Nah, real talk. But I be going to sleep at 2 and get up at 6. Like my body weird as hell.
Yeah, son. Sometimes I do it, but boy, my body be needing that sleep. You heard me? I be needing that sleep, boy. For
And
real.
like here
I just
recently, I don't get ready for sleep. I just go. Like it have been times I done came home from work and just laid on the floor and woke up. It was 6 o'clock in the morning. I slept on that bitch the whole damn night. Like niggas just be gone. Oh. Like
yeah. I was just talking to my. Well, you said 6 p.m. You'll go to sleep?
no, I wake up at 6.
Oh.
Going to sleep sometimes as early. I done went home to sleep at like 8:30, 9 o'clock. And just never woke up until 6 in the morning.
Oh, thanks. Bro, I was just talking to my grandma yesterday about how nigga used to wake up in the morning and wake up 7 p.m. You think it's 7 in the morning?
Yeah.
You heard me? Everybody in the house chilling. You heard me? You getting ready to go or getting ready to do something. And they looking at you like, what you about to do? They're like, it ain't 7 in the morning, it's 7 in the morning, I'm about to go do whoop whoop whoop. They be like, it's 7 at night.
Man, bro. Let me tell you about this story. We played my sister. We was young as hell. It was like 7. It was on some daylight saving time. So it was like that weird shit. So it was like 7. I think 6:37. It started getting like it looked like it was morning, like that when the sun about to rise, but the sun was setting. So she had got up on some shit. What wasn't that? I don't know if Jay listen. I think that's what we had did. I think she got up and we tricked her to think that it was the morning, but she got ready for school, got her clothes on, her book bag, and she started walking because the school was in walking distance at the time.
Walking to the
She
school.
started walking to the school, and we had to tell her like, "Nah, bro, we were playing."
And then it'd be so messed up because the way the sun be set up,
Yeah,
that's the time that the sun, coming up and
yeah,
going down. So it looked the
it
same
looked the
sometimes.
same. And then nobody was outside, so it really looked like an early morning. Like,
Oh
like we
man.
played that hell out
Right.
of her.
Oh man. Did she walk all the way to the school? Y'all had to stop her.
Damn near, she walked out the house and down the street. Damn near, like we had to like hold her down. We just playing. We just playing,
Crazy
bro.
work. Crazy work.
Nah, for real. She was so gullible at it. We used to do all kinds of crazy.
Shit, I'm telling you.
Little sister.
Nah, you probably could have got me with that shit too. I ain't gonna lie. Boy, if I take a nap
Like, boy, you
after
tripping,
school.
boy. It's 7 in the morning. What you doing?
Boy, we used to play all type of pranks, son.
Nah, for real.
Them damn phone call pranks used to be the best, boy. You hear me? You call random numbers, you heard me?
Oh, Lord. I ain't never did that shit. I used to, if anything, I prank somebody I know before somebody I don't know.
Yeah, all that. All that shit, boy. That shit used to be funny. That shit used to be funny, son. I ain't lying, boy. People don't even do that. Kids don't even do that no more
Fuck
today.
no, man. Them niggas be watching other people do funny shit. They don't do funny shit themselves. They watch other people do funny shit.
Nah, facts, bro. We ain't had nothing to do. We ain't had nothing to do, boy. We had a phone, boy. We got that phone. Shit. The hello.
Nah, for real.
The people on the other line laughing, you heard me? Because they bored. They ain't got nothing to do
For
neither
real.
sometimes. Yeah. They used to entertain the fuck out you. See these people prank calling my phone.
But not mad though. Like laughing with
They're not
their
mad at nothing. Niggas laughing. Say, man, why did people prank calling my phone?
Oh my God.
Sir,
Man, you ain't
talk
lying.
about the good old days, bro.
You ain't never lying, boy.
Niggas was not mad, boy. Niggas was happy. Nigga calling their phone prank. Now, nigga, and then nigga hang up on you, and then nigga keep calling. Nigga answer that bitch again. You hear me?
Yeah, knowing it's you.
No, man, what you want, man? Man, I'm doing something right now, bro.
Nah,
Go
you
ahead,
ain't never lying, bro. That was the era where you would literally answer every
bro.
call. Like, and it could be the same person calling your ass, but you would
Facts.
literally just hang up and answer the next fucking ring.
Oh,
It'd be
man.
like, it could be
Nah,
somebody
for
else.
real. Nah, for real, dog.
Yeah, that was crazy. Yeah, because we didn't have fucking Instagram to keep our attention. So a phone call was like a blessing, boy. Somebody called me.
What?
Damn, they won't.
Nigga answering that, but I remember one time, bro, I was a kid, man. I had hurt my finger or something like that. You know how they got the bikes and they got the rubber pieces on the end on the handlebar?
Yeah.
The handlebar thing was missing. So when the bike fell, that bitch fell on my finger and bust my shit open.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to call my mama. I think I'm calling the wrong number. I think it was a white lady that answered the phone. You heard me? She said, hello? My finger hurt. Where my mama? Well, I don't have your mom over here. But yeah, what's the number?
Yeah, yeah. Nah, she did some real white shit, boy.
Well,
Call
look,
back if
try
you
to
can
call the
figure it
number.
out.
What? She said, well, hang up, try to call it back again. And if you can't get them and you call me back, then I'll help you.
Yeah,
You
we'll
know what I'm
help you
saying?
figure it
Figure it
out.
out. We gonna get her. We're gonna get your mom on the
No,
phone.
that's crazy.
I'm like, okay.
That's a whole stand-up comedy skit. Somebody said that shit, but I forgot who said that.
Yeah, I did hear that before. I was laughing because that shit really happened.
Really happened, yeah. That's funny.
I was like, they said that exact fucking
Hey,
thing. Well,
that's
call me back
great.
if you can't get him.
Yeah.
Because I'll help you out. I was like, all right. That's why that shit was funny, bro.
I
Because
think
that shit
Martin
is
said that
real.
shit. It was a Martin stand-up session.
That shit is so real. That shit is funny.
Yeah,
Definitely real.
Hell, man. Bro, the XRP about to be up 30% today. Like, what is going on, bro?
Damn, what is the price?
$1.54.
What that bill was at? 120 something?
No, $1.11. It only went up 40 cents. It didn't even go up a dollar, and that bitch up 27%.
Yeah, I need to go add my $10. My
And the
$10.
move was last night. Like I said, nigga, I was in the studio.
Let me go see.
Walk
I'm
around with
gonna
them. I
go to
was not paying attention.
crypto.com. Cause I be buying it collectively. Like I just be holding the shares in there. You know what I'm saying? But I was waiting for all these drops to finish. So as soon as them drops start looking done, I'm gonna just be adding at them low prices, and you know what I'm saying? Trying to accumulate. I believe in long term, even if it be like 20 years or something. And I just put $10 every now and then on it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I know
that $10 gonna grow.
Move got everybody in XRP though, so I know XRP is looking for more liquidity, like all stocks are. So I got a high conviction that they're gonna sell off.
That shit just can't sell off like that.
Yeah, but this bullish move is just to entice people in back in the buy, and it's probably gonna sell off again.
Exactly.
And then it's gonna go up.
I pray my stocks just continue to hold against the bullshit. Amen. Amen. Nah, for real. Boy, I'm gonna be hurt, boy. Anything happen to my stocks, boy, I'm gonna be crying. You hear me? 2 tears in the bucket, nigga. Fuck it though. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep it moving. That nigga will be mad.
Chronos, Ether, and Bitcoin, and Chainlink. That's what I ain't got no XRP in this. I took it all out. It's all good. It should have been down and do everything down.
All right, let's see.
Question is, why didn't we buy last night? Bitch.
Buy what?
XRP.
Oh, we ain't know. Shit. We ain't know this shit was about to pop up. Nigga waiting for more drops. Fuck, everything dropping. Bitcoin dropping. Why would XRP be up? I got $23 worth of XRP right now. About to go get. I've been accumulating about every time I get down and buy something, I buy like 5 XRP at a time.
Gotcha.
I have 15 right now.
Gotcha.
And I paid like shit. I paid like $40-something for all this motherfucker. To be honest.
When that shit
That
was
shit
up,
worth $23.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I had chilled. So I'm waiting for them drops. You heard me?
Yeah, bro. Amazon.
Now I go. Yeah, I can get 5 of them for $8 right now. You know what I'm saying? I was paying 14 type shit. So it's a fire price to get a few of them, actually.
Nah, fact. That's what I said. That dollar. If you get under $1, then I'm throwing 100 on that bitch. I want 100 coins.
Yeah. Nah, I could get me 5 of them right quick.
That's the only thing I want.
Get 5 more of them.
I'm
probably gonna get 10 at this price. Look. Get 10 for $16.35.
But yeah, Amazon is down, bro. That shit. They I think they missed on their earnings for revenue. No, they missed the earnings. Revenue, they made money. They had a good surprise. Positive surprise revenue, but earnings, they missed it by 1%. And they spending, their CapEx is up. They got a $50 billion stake in OpenAI. So yeah. And they getting fined by Germany. Germany said they want their 70 million. So they probably gotta send them niggas a little cash out right quick. And they gonna be good.
Yeah, it's dropping right now. Well, not literally. Dropping.
But yeah, like speaking on all that other shit though, like cat and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Like when companies talk about like 50 billion, open AI infrastructure and all that shit, like I can't imagine what the contracts are looking like on that side of it. Like the actual people who will be putting tools together, you know, like to make the buildings, to actually build this shit, like hard hat contractors and building the buildings and the roads and the parking lot and you know all that shit. Like that shit about to be crazy, boy. Because you know that should take at least like a year and a half on a minimum just to build a warehouse, let alone a data center. I don't even know what all that goes into.
Yeah.
So yeah,
nah, facts.
they about to be busy. They about to be eating.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Like,
they're expensive right now, but boy, hey, give me some time. You heard me? I will have enough to give me a little piece of that action. You heard me? Same with these other places.
Before the shit's built, they gonna have enough. Next 2 years,
bro. They ain't gonna have enough in the next couple of weeks. Next month. Enough next month, my boy. Shit, everything work out how it's supposed to. You hear me? Because I got enough to get in these plays that I'm in right now. You know what I'm saying? That's what's gonna help me build my future. You hear me? To where I need to be. If I could just hold them out long enough and they do what they're supposed to do.
Yep.
Yeah, man, everything looking all right. Now, Buku, all right though.
Highs. Current high is 129.58. We are 30 cents away, 40 cents away.
For what?
For Walmart to create a new all-time high.
Yeah. I'm telling you. That's what I was telling you. I wanted some more of that, but it was high as hell at the time, and I didn't know how much they were paying.
Man, I was about to do a 1 day option. I had a little buying power. Like, man, fucking, let me just buy a little
Not a 1
out
day.
the money Walmart 1 day. Buy on Thursday, close today. But I wasn't gonna do that with because I thought NFP was gonna drop today. I wasn't about to do that shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna probably hold everything to NFP if I can.
Little did I know. Yeah,
As
I'm for
long
sure
as
gonna do that
everything
now.
continue
I agree with you because I
moving
really
the
thought
way
it
it's moving.
would come out today.
If shit could continue moving the way and break highs, sit up there comfortable and not break lows and shit, man. Man, I'm just a germ.
What J&J doing right now? Well, it's pushing up.
Oh man.
You good on your J&J, huh?
Yeah, no, I'm watching them right now. I'm just saying, as long as they could maintain highs, you know what I'm saying? Shit looks cool. It's just that it's sitting literally at a high level, from Thursday, and I wanted to break through and at least close up there and relax, like, you know
Above
what I'm
240.
saying? Basically, yeah. We could get up there and chill. That'd be perfect. But yeah, I'm just chilling right now. I mean, if it pulled back, it pulled back. I ain't really tripping, bro. That's what this shit do, you know. More than anything, bro. I'm about to jet up.
Yeah.
That boy be holding through the bullshit, boy. I don't know how you do it.
Oh yeah. It's all about structure, man. If it don't break key levels, nigga, that bitch. And I'm getting better at waiting for the candles to close because sometimes them 4 hours and them dailies be looking crucial when it be red, but you wait till that bitch close, it'll go back up, and you be glad you waited. But the only thing then, if anything, you'll be kicking yourself that you probably didn't add no positions when it was down that low because you thought you ain't know it was gonna pop back up the way it did. But other than that. Yeah, I'll be looking at structure, man. Structures will get me out. It's a lot of things that'll get me in the market, but structures will get me out for sure. Because it shouldn't be doing shit like that if it's going up or going down. I ain't gonna play with that shit. What the weather is like out there right now? Is it hot or cold? Cool?
Probably like 70. I think 60, 70.
It's gonna be just like that for my brother. Bring one jacket, bitch. Watch it 30 degrees.
Yeah. Man, we rich, man. We getting A-Rap money. We getting A-Rap money. Yeah, it's not cold though. It's not super cold. Just wear a light coat, light jacket, like a windbreaker or something.
But yeah, man. I guess it's lunchtime. It's Friday. I'm not expecting too much of a crazy move after lunch.
Lunch probably. I mean, lunch at 11 for real. But
Damn, I'm tripping, boy. I don't know why. I don't know where I saw 11 at. I dead ass thought it was 11 o'clock.
I'm smoking dope. I'm on
Nah,
my
I'm about to be.
iPhone.
Once I get my phone.
I'm on my iPhone.
Oh man.
Man.
I really did
But
saw
boy,
11
it's
o'clock.
lunchtime. I'm like, I mean, it's cool to shut down early, but lunch.
I literally thought it was like 11, but Maybe I'm. Oh, I know what I was looking at. I was looking at the charts because I got it on New York Times. My dumbass.
Yeah, lunch for 12. Lunch is for 12 for you.
For real.
Your lunch starts at
We're
12.
like an hour ahead out there, so.
I mean, even if though, hopefully we get some good closes here in the next 2 minutes and see what 10 o'clock do.
Yeah.
See how it starts to move.
Add 30 cents
Well,
to that.
Measy is doing his fucking thing. God damn. That's why I was saying, boy, hey, this bitch don't play. That's why this the baby right now. Walmart and Lil Baby, them bitches. Lil Baby took a fire dip, but it was needed because that bitch was running. That little bitch was running, bro. This bitch went from when we got in there like 70, that bitch went all the way to 130.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that was a move, I ain't gonna lie.
And now it's at 97.
So it dropped from 130 to 97?
Yeah, from 130, that bitch dropped all the way to 87. Now it's at 97 now. They're recovering today, 97. But yeah, ain't no telling where it's going from here, man. Or we don't know if these sales are done. It looked like it should be going up, but you know,
Yeah, I
we
think
never know.
shit like Walmart, the sales are done. I don't know. I can't say for the others.
Yeah, Walmart busting, bro. This shit crazy. Walmart to 135 next week. At least 130, 132, 133, something like that. 134. But that bitch trying to act like it don't want to hit them whole numbers, man. This bitch moving, bro. The way it's looking right now, I easily call like a 135, bro. Like this bitch not stopping at 130. It's gonna keep going. That bitch is serious right now. It ain't playing. Like Walmart want his guys. Give me my guys. God. That bitch, Walmart ain't playing. You heard me? Give me my guys. That bitch got me shoulder hustling. You feel me?
That'll be crazy, dog, if it get up there. I ain't gonna lie to you. I mean, it could do it. I'm looking at the 4 hour. It could do it, but yeah, that's definitely something. Yeah, if it get up there, I'm for sure getting out. If it get to 135, especially before Wednesday,
yes, indeed.
I am closing the piss out of that hoe.
New player I got.
Like, I don't want no more Walmart if that bitch get to 135. Like, I'm done.
I'm gonna wait for that dip. You heard me? Get in
Now,
again.
facts. Yeah, I'm gonna get back in on the dip, but still, it's like, nigga, like, I start to get worried if the stock go up too much. I'm be like, bro, I do not want to get caught.
Nah, man, it don't. No. Yeah, caught holding. What you do is you get you close profits and you get new contracts, which means, I mean, if anything, you just lose $200, $250 of your fucking earnings. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Shit, that's why it's important to take profits. I don't know why people don't want to be wanting to take them profits, but boy, that's the most important thing. That's
one word called greed,
bruh. I'm gonna tell you like this. I took my profits, bro, and I've been sitting in that Walmart place since I took my profits, right? But I haven't been nervous, not one bit, because I made 600 of it, and I took profits. This new play only worth like 2 something. Shit, I'm up either way it goes, so I don't even give a fuck.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, oh well, you know, fucking. I'm gonna tell you like this. They had an 80-year trader. Dude been trading for 80 years. He said the number one thing I realized people don't do that he learned that people do. The number one mistake people have is they don't take profits.
Yeah.
That's the number one mistake he realized through 80 years of trading, bro. So I'm gonna take his advice, bro. When I'm up, I'm trying to take profit. Like I said, that help move I'm in right now. Yeah, I'm up $30 or something like that. But man, I could have took 90, caught the premium, let that bit drop, cop another piece, let that bit bust another premium price. You know what I'm saying? Just keep clocking them like that.
That's real, dog. Because on my Forex on Oanda, they allow us to take partials, and every time I'm in a good scenario where I can
Take your
every time
time, brother.
every time I'm in a good buy position. I was looking at this technique, and
Nah, like nigga in church, take your time, brother.
nah, bro. Oh man, you ain't never lied. But when you come to take profits at them levels, like my account, or at any level, just taking profit, the act of taking profits and taking partials, my account goes up over time, and it may it may be in drawdown. I may close some negatives, but if I go in my history and look at when I started 2 weeks ago to now, it don't seem like it, but that bitch should be up like a couple of dollars. But it's only because I took some partials. If I would have just held it, being greedy, like, oh no, it's gonna go up next week, or it's gonna go up tomorrow, then it would have came down to my break even, the whole position. I wouldn't have took no profits, and then I would have been looking at my account like, damn, well, I'm overall down $40 or $50 or $100 something. Yeah, but when I be taking partials, that shit is key.
And even if it pulled back on you, shit, you done took.
It's straight. I can just go back in off the partials. Then I took out. I can add back in off of that.
Facts.
Ding, 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 that hoe. Yeah, I don't think Mia go remember about them things, Jay. I don't know if you listened to her. She just had a birthday party, so she probably sliz right now. She ain't gonna remember about some she just bought you 2 more days.
Yeah. These pullbacks. I don't want to see pullbacks. 10 o'clock bringing pullbacks. Whatever, I guess. I'm just a germ. I keep saying that every time I feel like I want to do some dumb shit, like get out the markets. I'm just a germ. I don't know. Let's wait for a close. I mean, the close was good on J&J, I guess. It was a good close on CVX, even though they're both pulling back like nobody's business. Whatever. Everything has to pull back, right? Is Walmart pulling back?
Not really. It's trying to break that all-time high.
This bitch ain't playing.
All it need is a
Lord
dime.
have mercy. I think it's gonna try to just hit 130, to be honest. 130 is the goal.
158 is the old high. We need a dime. Can somebody give Walmart a dime?
Meanwhile, E-Ray, yeah, man, he's buying at these highs for what you call him, a suspect. I'm gonna try to hold against my doubt. Like I said, I'm just a germ. Because I mean, I am buying at highs, but these things is making new highs. It's trying to make new highs. Like I made new highs yesterday in pre-market. They just don't want to revisit right now while the market's open. I just have to be patient, I think. I got 2 weeks on both of these contracts. This man here is stupid.
All-time high. And it's coming back down. That bitch touched 129.59. Bitch, it started selling off. Stupid ass nigga did a penny liquidity sweep and sold off. Stupid ass. That nigga Lewis is stupid. You dig? Classic. These two niggas on the blade. You dig?
Buy cryptocurrencies.
Back up there again. I'll do it again. Come on, Walmart. There we go. 129.62.
That is. That bit ain't playing, boy.
There we go, baby.
Well, me ain't worrying about what nobody else doing. Man.
Money ground time.
Should I sit through these pullbacks? Goddamn.
Always.
Not always.
We always sit through pullbacks. That's how we get rich, baby.
Okay. Okay, then. That's what he said.
Pullback millionaires. That's the term.
That's what he said. That's what he said, do. Stupid. No, I'm just kidding. Let me see. Walmart up 132. CVX up 70. E-Raz up 20. 27. But that bitch was up 92 this morning. And it's at a higher price than it was at when it was at 92. That's what I be talking about. Niggas don't understand. Bro, you paying a premium. Nigga trying to sit here, argue with me about buying some shit that opened up and started shooting up. So like, nigga, bro, if you would have bought that shit when you was talking about buying it, bro, you would have paid for a premium, bro. So even when that bitch at the price that is at right now, that bitch, you'll probably only be up $10, $20 type shit. You're not gonna be up as much as you think.
Uh-oh. Are we hitting 130 today? Are we hitting 130 today? We got 20 more cents, roughly.
Damn, that bitch up. Man, how much Walmart did today? 46% P&L. Bitch ain't playing.
Come on, man. What about this shit? Where else can you make money by clicking a mouse? Okay. Yeah. No, this is about to hit 130, bitch. Hold up. Hold up. I'm about to get the drum ready. Stupid ass. Come on, baby. Uh, uh, uh. 10 cents away. A Walmart stock a day will keep the pain away. Or should I just say fill in the damn blank? Come on, man. We do this shit. It would be the other way around if it was dropping, but we do this shit right now. Real tough, man. Look at this shit, baby. We about to hit 130, y'all. That's what I said. Wall D's is up.
Well, damn. I should have bought. I knew I should have bought 2
Come on,
contracts of
man.
Deezy.
Wall D's about to hit 130.
Well, Deezy going sleazy.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, boy. Nigga, that would have been a nice little extra little leg to get a little another contract in that. I couldn't get the 13th. Them niggas wanted like 200. That's when I knew that Walmart probably was gonna go up. When to add another fucking February 13th contract, but it was more expensive than the initial one I bought. I was like, oh yeah, they know something. And that's damn near like I'm starting to think that's a way you could read directional bias on these charts. Looking at what they charging on the options. Because if they knew something that you didn't know, they would make it more difficult for you to get into something that's a sure bet, in my opinion.
What you said, brother? I'm sorry.
No, I was talking about how like Walmart options for the 13th expired, which is next Friday, was way more expensive than what I paid for it initially because I was about to buy another one. But I think they be jumping up the price like that, knowing that Walmart is probably about to go on another run.
I
like
mean,
they want to make it more expensive.
What you bought it around this price?
No, I didn't buy it around this price. So yeah, that is true. That's probably why it's more expensive.
Yeah, no, it's gonna be more. I'm telling you that. I mean, that shit up $146 today. So it makes sense that it's more expensive.
But buying it at 126 and the strike price or the price for the contract was 129, I think, and them niggas still wanted like 2 something for that bitch. So I was gonna be buying it out the money like a motherfucker, and they still wanted all that bread. I'm like, yeah, they know something. So
Yeah.
this shit
I mean,
already
I feel like that
engineered.
bitch going to 135 at the least.
Bro, I'm holding. If it's hitting
No, I
130
am.
today, yeah, I'm holding for next week. Damn that, nigga. I want all my bread.
No, for real.
I'm making what I lost back in the first Walmart play. Dead ass in the shortest time span.
Damn, boy, that shit pulling back, bro. Goofing at G. I don't like how that shit priced for real. The way they stocks move. Yo, damn, this bust. Yeah, bro. Put the alert at 130. Yeah, man. Put the alert. Yeah, man. And put the alert on that bit. Yeah, man. Damn, dog. Damn, Jake tripping, son. Like I said, I don't really like how that shit was priced. Remember, because I bought way at that fucking low. And these bitches made me pay 3 something for that shit. And then not today, it's worth 2 something. I ain't know, yeah. Well, I need to be trying to close out at a high. I paid premium. $130. $130. The alert just hit. Yeah, man. Meanwhile, we did it. We did it. Damn, that's crazy. Let's see how we react to this new level touch. That's the key. They saying trade. Damn, TNT dropping, huh? And I'm gonna try to hold through the damn bullshit. This is crazy. Nigga up 200 today. Let's go. Yo, what's poppin'? So, for some reason, every time you talk, that shit sound like mechanical. I can't even hear you. I don't even think I can hear you right now. Can
Oh,
you
my
hear me?
bad. Yeah, I can hear you. My shit was muted like a hoe.
Yeah, I ain't hear you for like 10 minutes.
Damn, that's crazy. I don't know
You
what the
been talking?
like a motherfucker.
That's crazy.
I'm glad y'all ain't. I was talking shit about y'all. Y'all didn't hear me. That's good.
Oh, I'm done. Well, everything, all
Yeah,
my shit pulling back hard. I'm just hoping I get some type of push back up after these pullbacks. Damn, nigga slapping me right now. I'm not tripping though. Nigga ain't tripping. Walmart did his thing. I think Walmart it hit 130 and pulled back a little bit. We're gonna see what this this second tester of 130 do.
yeah.
About to retesting it one more time.
4 hour about to close on my end. 30 minutes.
Yeah, though. I'm gonna just hold out my plays probably for the day, man, and just shit see what they do. Goddamn, over the weekend.
Yeah, like I said, it's still before
Cause
lunch.
I bought,
It's Friday too, so see what he
I
do.
bought after the volume already happened type shit.
What
So it's
today
like
after the
it's
volume?
really, yesterday.
Yesterday.
Like at the end of the day, yesterday, that's kind of the end of the week. Volume, everything already happened for the week. You're really not gonna catch no plays. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but
As
today.
much as
When you headed to New York, brother?
man, that was your shit fucked up like that.
Yeah, G, your shit sound like a robot, G.
I'm going to New York though Wednesday coming up. So right after NFP, right on the day out.
Hey, G, jump off and jump back on. See if it clear it up.
But yeah, according to my calculations, looking at fucking I mean, as far as the week chart go and everything that I got in, the week looked juicy. Like they making higher highs. I love when you get a weekly close. Long as the laws say the same and these things stay up. You get a weekly close above last week's high. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? That's indication for me that the next week is going to do more highs because it closed above last week's high. If it wanted to close, if it wanted to fall, it would have dozed you back down under that high and decided to close lower. So because that didn't happen or hasn't happened, I'm betting that next week is going to be very bullish for everything that I'm in, which means Walmart 135.
I love it.
Hold everything basically.
I love it.
Yeah, man, we going for it.
Can you make a t-shirt there to say that? I need to wear that.
What?
Like Walmart to 135.
Walmart to 135. I'm done. To get the community involved.
Nah, for real. Oh man.
Facts, bro. Get everybody involved. Yeah, we have on local news today. Man wears Walmart to 135 shirts. Yeah, man. Oh man, this little play I'm in, bro. This thing is crazy, bro. This thing is weird. I'm up $2 on the move. Well, since I got in, I'm up like $1.40. Nigga only have $40.
When you got in your
that's the one I was
price?
telling you. That's everything. That's the one I got in yesterday at like 2:00, and I got in J&J around the same time. But they both up a little bit. But J&J actually down on the day for me because of some bullshit. Like I don't even know. You know what I'm saying? It's like I think I paid the spread. I paid way too much for it, and I didn't know how it moved. So I didn't know I was paying the premium.
You gotta think about it too. I'm looking at the 4 hour. It's a lot of gaps in this hook. Like That bitch,
What
you
you mean?
probably like I don't know. It seemed like it was a lot of negative volume that probably ate your pricing up that you bought in. Even though it's still bullish, it's gapping down, like the 4-hour gap down during London on Thursday and a Friday.
Yeah. Let me see. I bought it like.
You must have bought like over 238, like 239.
Yeah, I think I paid 238.
Yeah.
I think I paid 238 around in there. That's when I paid around 238 something. So it's kind of at the spot where I paid at. I got in at. So it's not, but it's still, I'm down like $30 altogether. You know what I'm saying? But it's up from where I got in at like 60 cents. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just like a little.
When they expire though?
That's the 2 weeks.
20?
Yeah, 20. Both of them expire on the 20.
So yeah,
So I'm just looking.
Be crucial for you for them.
Yeah, I'm just looking to see what next week does. Like I said, that mug did a positive week this week. I'm looking for some more gains on the week chart. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm looking at, the week chart for these plays. Yeah, because I mean, look at that. Like that's if it just do half of what it did, you know what I'm saying? I should get something. I'm cool with that. I'll take that and probably close it.
All-time highs too.
Just depends on how it continues to move. Yeah,
it's been on a run since July last year, bro. 160 and never saw the light. That bitch just broke out on a weekly and never printed no red candles ever since. On July, and then this is a monthly I'm looking at. So
yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. This bitch ain't playing. If I could just catch a little bit of that, you hear me? Just a little bit of that, Jesus. Let me catch at least the 245 something. Give me $5, $7. I'll take it. You hear me?
One thing I do like about Johnson on a weekly, when it does close a weekly candle, all you got to do is monitor the low of that red weekly candle, and it shouldn't break the low of that. Like every sell-off kind of held at that structure for the most part of that bearish candle, so it never broke that structure. So yeah,
this is on the rail
and it's little bitty ass red candles compared to these big ass. Like these last 2 weeks was right.
That was when you're supposed to get in.
Like them bitches was moving.
Crazy work, bro. Yeah, I see it now. It's too late, but it might not be. I might be able to catch something.
Yeah, man. That's something. Johnson & Johnson with the pharmaceutical, health and technology.
Don't them boy make lotion?
Yeah, they make lotion. Yeah. So lotion sales is up. It's about to be springtime, summertime. They gonna be ashy. So you about to see some profits, nigga.
Pampers that shit.
That shit was founded in 1887, nigga. It started selling diapers and napkins. That was the first product.
Depends on what you're stuff that people need. They know what to do with it. They ain't no shit by accident. This shit ain't growing up by accident. Everybody else suffering because they ain't got napkins. You know what I'm saying? Toilet paper.
What cause I was thinking about what's that other one? They're like
they focus on what people
eat. Conglomerate. Procter and Gamble, P&G. That's what I want to look at. P&G. Oh, they having a nice little run. Not no, damn. I'm looking at the weekly. It's not bad though. Nice little run since February. earnings, revenue is down.
Man, CVX played me too though. This
I
shit's
was just
so
about to ask
weird,
you,
bro.
how you got it? How does CVS down?
Man, this shit weird, bro. Like, so yesterday my shit closed at like $44 negative, right?
Yeah.
But right now I'm up $40 on the day. But it's like, dog, I should be up more than that, dog. I only closed at $40 negative because that bitch, I only closed $40 negative because that bitch had dropped. You know what I'm saying? After I got in. But you know, it recovered by market open. So I should have that $40 should have been came back plus what the the increase was. So both of them basically just played me. So I'm like, it's like on some bullshit for real. I don't even understand this shit. This shit weird as fuck. Like I basically must have paid premiums on both of them bitches, dog. Like hella premiums. You buying them bitches after like 2 o'clock. Yeah, because I bought them after 2. And if you buy after 2, I'm guessing that's just like buying at market open, bro. That shit stupid as fuck though. Like it's like because you buying for the confirmation. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, versus buying it while it's actually moving.
Yeah, that shit stupid as fuck, dog.
Yeah.
That's stupid as fuck to me, like nigga, because I want to buy it, because I want to buy. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't want, like, basically I'm not only buying it for confirmation. It's like I don't want to use my day trade up too. You feel what I'm saying?
Right.
So they basically making you like, oh, you don't want buy it earlier. Or
and you already know they probably thought of that too. They got like, okay, we know niggas gonna try to enter trades at the end of the day so they can get around the day trade thing, but we gonna increase the premium. We're gonna increase the premium at the end of the day. So when it do go up the next day, they're not gonna be up as much as somebody that bought that morning.
The whole day.
Yeah.
That's crazy, bro. That is crazy. But yeah, nigga gotta buy between 1 and like 159, I think. I don't know yet. I'm still test it out and keep looking at shit. But this is crazy, bro. Ain't no fucking way, nigga. Like, that's dumb as fuck, dog. That is fucking dumb as fuck.
You gotta do some fucking AI questions on that. What the hell are they talking about? Come on, Walmart. Get your ass above 130. Well, I'm gonna laugh that bitch get to 131 a day. And I'm like, oh, we going to 135, nigga. Like, that's where it's going. Telling us.
I'm trying to get these little bitches the benefit of the doubt. I do not like how nigga pay for that premium, though, bro. That is fucking ridiculous. That shit to be up, and I'm down.
X. It's starting to sell off a little bit from them highs, too.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That shit selling off and shit. Ain't gave me nothing but break even when it was up at the top. That's the whole fucking key. That's what I'm saying. Like, that's crazy, bro. I got in at 179, like 90. This bitch was at 182, and I was just break even.
Damn, for real?
Yeah, bro.
That's crazy. Oh, that's crazy.
Now I'm down.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That's fucking insane, dog. That's what I'm
You
saying.
must have paid a dumbass premium, boy.
Like $100 or something. Like, fuck.
But did you buy it? Damn. Oh yeah, I'm at a loss for that. I'm trying to see how in the hell it's making it seem like you bought at 182.
Right, bro. The theta not that much, dog. Like, ain't no way, dog.
Damn. Yeah, that's crazy. You got a good entry too, and that shit should be paying you.
Yeah,
I mean, fuck, it's up. It's up 0.75%.
Bro,
so it ain't like it's down today. It's still up.
Not me. I'm down.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Why was paying them premiums? That's why I don't like paying anything over $2 for a contract for that. The contract work costs more than $200 something. Wait till that bitch come down to $2 something before you buy that shit. Fuck that.
Yeah.
This shit moves crazy, bro. I'm keeping that, dog. Like, if you pay 3 something, you gotta. And when you buying new stuff, just check, like, watch it for a day first and see how them prices flow and market open and close and see how them premium moves, bro. Cause that shit is real. Like I said, I would play. I could have fucking. It's up probably 30 cents from where it was at this morning. The bitch was up. I was up about like I said, $95 this morning. Then 15 minutes passed. I'm only up $20. But the price higher than what it was.
Mm.
You see what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
that's weird.
That shit is crazy, bro. So you telling me I could have took fire profits this morning and then got back in at a higher price? You feel me?
And made money at
You
that
feel me?
higher price? Yeah, that's weird. Versus your
And get back in
179?
later and at a cheaper price, so basically be done made money. Yeah, that's crazy. That is crazy. Markets is they make a nigga have to hold that bitch for a week. Make sure you're not a day trader.
Kazakhstan with oil exports expected to drop 35% from 1.7 million to 1.1 million barrels per day due to recovery issues. It says Chevron faces some challenges in Kazakhstan. Root oil is supposed to sell to Carlisle, but they were supposed to buy it. So Chevron supposed to buy Luke Oil Global Assets. I don't know what they got going on with all that, but they need to figure it out. That's the damn show. Just like E.T. These niggas are not phoning home.
I ain't even tripping, dog. I think it's just teaching me patience. Overall, learning to be just chill. You know, ain't nothing but lows. So eventually next week it should go up as long as lows aren't being broken. I should be fine. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta wait. They're making me wait because they know this is a good stop. Trying to justify it.
International. And then got to pay $125 million in 2030.
Now, fuck around. Now, what you can learn is when to buy. So that way, if you close out at like 2:00, you know you selling that bitch for a premium.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? That's why I realized my shit dropped around that time because motherfuckers was taking profits on premium. On niggas like me buying at the high type shit. You know what I'm saying? Niggas is taking profits so that bitch could drop so they could buy it tomorrow for a cheaper price. Or some shit, you know, at the same spot. Fuck. You know? Like, that makes so much sense now. You know, why that bitch dropped. Niggas was taking profits while I'm getting in. And niggas, because they making niggas pay the premium price. But, you know, once you learn it, you know, you should know how to do this shit, man, basically. Trying to teach one of my partners about that shit. He talking about, yeah, I use the grill that. Market open. Keep doing what you're doing as long as it's working for you. But, you know, eventually you're going to run into that situation where you're going to get premium. You're going to be confused on what's going on. Yeah, you know, right now.
Well, SLB, I don't know if you heard, I think Jen SLB. Yeah, yesterday, them niggas secured a $1.5 billion contract for oil field development in Kuwait.
Bro, I held SLB for like a week, dog. That bitch didn't do nothing, bro. As soon as I got out, that bitch popped up.
Yeah, that
I
bitch
said, man, that shit weak, bro.
it's ranging right now. Even right now,
That bitch always ranging, bro.
it's looking for another breakout above 152.
That's why I like CDX. It move a little bit more than that bitch. You feel me? I ain't even tripping if I gotta pay the premium as long as I'm praying for sure. You know what I'm saying? I gotta pay the premium, but that bitch for sure movement.
And CBX already got shit that Slumbergers, getting contracts. So these niggas already out there in Venezuela and Iran, Kuwait. They just need barrels to get produced. They already got contracts. That's why they stock looks so good. CBX look real good.
Ain't got a damn. We ain't playing over there. You bitches better keep going up too. But anybody got time for this shit? Contract worth $300 something. Fucking gonna make the bitch worth $260 the next day. I mean, we lose 80 something fucking dollars.
Walmart about to hit 3% today.
Yeah, bro. That's what I should have got back in. Even maybe get out the money in Walmart at this point.
Not for real.
They so slick with it, dog, because you know I called that 126. That's why I wanted to get that contract. They gonna push that bitch down at aftermarkets to do that shit. Come on, man. Y'all can't be serious. Like how we able? Apparently, you can do it on Schwab Trade aftermarket or pre-market. I don't know how. I'm about to learn, dog. That's too important, dog. Like even with J&J, like last night that bitch aftermarkets, that bitch wanna go to fucking 242 or something. That bitch refused to go back there right now. Like what's the problem? Aftermarkets, you was a thug, you heard me?
Right.
Now you acting like you don't even know what you gonna do. But I'm gonna use that push up as an indication that it's gonna go up. It just had the, type shit. That shit be crazy, dog.
Yeah, man.
Crazy to see.
Patience and shit, bro. Patience. And then more
Patience, bro.
And then a little bit more after that.
Patience do what?
Yep, they do that.
No, it pays,
I said, yep, they do that.
Patience pays, bro. You feel me? You gotta remember that.
It does pay.
If I would have had all my Walmart contracts to the 6, like, shit, what the 6 to do?
Yep.
And that was all my contracts, bro. That up a few racks from 116 and shit, 118. Like, I'd have had a few, you know what I'm saying? Because that went up 600 points. That would have been 3 contracts, 800. Like, I had moves on at 16 something. I had plays calls at 16 something and everything, bro. That's what I'm saying. They did a nigga dirty with that one.
Yeah.
I was up like 3 racks, something on my account, bro.
When the last time you traded German 30?
Probably last month, a few months ago. Probably a couple months ago. December. When I was really doing that shit, take a break. I just need to clear my mindset, put my mind in the right space to trade. Like, I need to slow down, like, stop trying to day trade everything, trying to make all kinds of money in a day. Because that shit, it can happen, but it's like, when it happens, cool. But don't try to force that shit, you know what I'm saying? Get what you can get out the market, smash out, you know? Like,
I think it's also a part of like getting what you comfortable with. Like you got to be comfortable with what you get because the market gonna give and take, but you got to be comfortable. Like imagine the nigga who took profit on Walmart options at 100%. They're like, okay, I'm up 100%, I'm closed. And now that this done ran up another 400% without them. It's like, yeah, you could look at that like, damn, I missed money, but you made money also. You didn't lose money. And if that bitch retraced and dropped back down on the person that was holding that 400% gain, they most likely gonna get out back when it was at 100 or 150%. So y'all both did the same thing, but you got out early, took your money, and probably put it somewhere else that was moving. You know what I'm saying? So really, you got to be comfortable with what you want. That's why I don't know what I'm comfortable with. So I just let structure tell. When structure get broken, I just get out. Like I guess that's all you got to get.
That is true.
I don't know.
With some plays, you just gotta know how it moves and when to get out. Like
True.
With like that play I was telling you about E-Res this morning, I'm up $90-something. I knew for a fact that this was a premium opportunity to sell this bitch for $90-something. You feel me? And I still was like, I'm gonna just hold it and see, like, just check it out and see what happens.
Right.
And that shit happened, and I was like, bro, just sure enough, I knew it was time to get out. You know what I'm saying? I could have easily got back in a little later or something,
Right.
But at least I would have clocked $90 off the contract, $100 for real. I'm sorry, $100 off the contract because I was already up from yesterday on that bitch. But it's like, you gotta just go with what you see, go with what you know. Sometimes.
It's crazy, but it should, yeah. A lot of people can't do this, dog, because there's a lot of knowing and not knowing the unknowns. That's what trading is. Knowing and not knowing the unknown.
That's why you gotta take profit when you see it.
Like,
exactly
for real.
Take profit when you see it. That exact reason. Because you might know some shit, but it's the unknown that it'd be like, all right, cool. Like, yeah, I wanted Walmart to go to 130 from my original position from 118, but I was like, man, that shit, fuck that. Now, bitch, I'm up 180. I could at least, I'm up a good percentage. I could at least take profit. I could get 3 more contracts if I want to at this point.
With that profit.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So it's like, let me just get one more and I'm not risking nothing to, fuck that. Nah, let that shit how it go. Yeah. Like, you gotta take profits in this game. Yeah, because just like with that lift move, when we first started, man, we was hella up on lift. Nigga didn't know nothing, know no better. Watching that shit, just watching. Now, I knew better as far as structure go, like, yeah, this bitch about to come back. But I didn't, I ain't know, boy, it was time to take profits.
Yeah, I really thought Lyft was about to do something.
I thought it was going to push back up or something, but it's that unknown.
And I thought the market, I thought they were going to take market share from Uber. And this is kind of like a slightly personal, but I had inside information because I was driving for them niggas. So I was hearing the customers say like, yeah, we do not like Uber. I'd rather take Lyft all day. And I'm saying that shit, so I'm like, man, Lyft about to run, bro. But Uber about to run. Lyft about to run. But it never did. That bitch broke $19, and we have never seen that hole since this year. And we don't know where it's falling to. That bitch look like a damn waterfall. That bitch is pouring.
It's still dropping?
Yeah, that was at 16.25 right now. It's up 2%. But what we was trading it at in the 20s and 21s, yeah, it was down from there.
Yeah, I know Jay got out of there.
Hell yeah, that nigga better not be holding no dough.
Yeah, I know. I think I remember boys say I got out of there. But that's what I was saying when I was saying that bitch. When I was like, boy, when it closed right here on this 4 hour, yeah, I think this bitch about to crash, bro. And I ain't know it was gonna crash like this, but I knew it was about to take a dive, at least a pullback. Right. And sure enough, so little things like that, bro. When you see things like signs and wonders, you feel me? don't fucking go against that. Period.
Yeah.
You see something, fuck what anybody else talking about. You see it for a reason. Get in that shit.
Yeah, no, that's
Try
real.
it. Try it.
That's real.
Never know,
Don't let other people or the news shake you out of your conviction for that trade. If you feel like it's a good trade, you're going to be the only one that's going to be buying the lows while everybody else missing out. But,
right.
And then a lot of people got to get themselves credit. Like, just because you ain't no analyst that work at Bloomberg or work for Charles Schwab don't mean you can't call a good move.
Man.
Like, you better than them niggas.
All the time.
You hear me? You better than all them analysts. Like, it is.
All the time, bro. Them analysts just be confirmation.
Right.
Like other people see what I see. Cool.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? That's just confirmation in there.
Man, boy, that UCTT running. That nigga up 10% today.
I ain't really want to pull back with the price. What is it, 50 something?
About to be. I mean, it's 48.
Damn. Yeah, I wanted them at 42. Them bitches went
they was at 42 like 3 times, 3 days, daily wicks.
Yeah. Now I seen it go to 42. I was just like, I ain't gonna fool with it.
But that was kind of difficult. I ain't gonna lie. If you wanted to buy at 42, because it already moved so much from 34, so that would have been kind of scary. But that hole is not done yet. That bitch moving, boy. That was a nice one. Anything above 10% today crushed it. Like crypto crushed it today. UCTT, fucking Big Bear out of nowhere. That bitch up 14% today. You would have had to buy the lows though to catch that because it was selling all 2 weeks.
Exactly, bro.
Yeah, Big Bear was.
That shit probably happened on a market close. You feel me?
That's what I'm saying. And then not only that, why are we getting all these gains on a Friday of all days?
Like, on the day that was supposed to be NFP. Nah, that's why I got in J&J and shit yesterday, because I felt like today was gonna pop. But it was really for stuff that was dropping, not the shit that, that was up already. You know, the bitches did do some type of numbers. They ain't doing as much as the shit that dropped. I ain't know where the bottom was gonna be at for this shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, that's why I like confirmation. Like, I don't mind paying for even the shit that's up today that been on uptrend. I don't mind paying for that shit where it's at. You know what I'm saying? Like, even though it did 10-9%, shit, next week it should do it again. Shit like that. I'm looking for that bitch to do it again. Knock him out the bottom, right?
Yeah, man, what the fuck going on? Put on my Gucci headband all day today. Got to rock that bitch. Yes, sir. As you can see, we had called Bitcoin by 62,000 and 60,000 to the 10. You see it touch that bitch to the wick. Come on, man. We be calling this shit, bro. 10% gain a day. But yeah, man, I think we're gonna wrap it up for the week.
Yes, sir.
I'm about to be like your ass going eat something, you know what I mean?
At Walmart at 170.
What?
130.20.
Oh, what you said? 170.
Yeah, P&L.
Oh, I was about to say, but don't scale it like that.
That bitch ain't playing, bro. Walmart did straight numbers this week.
But yeah,
Crazy, bro.
I am overly looking forward to this Sunday and Monday to see what the hell the new week about to bring for us. Cause this was a nice little roller coaster. But we got off. Nobody threw up. You heard me, but it was fun.
You feel me?
But yeah, man, we're gonna
Shit,
wrap
man.
this bitch up. We'll be back Sunday to talk about the week, talk about the next week coming up, and see what Forex gonna give for us, if anything.
Yes, sir.
You heard? All right, man. Peace. We out.
Stay up, brother.
You already know.